Hi guys, in this video we talk about the OnePlus 12 versus OPPO Find X7 Ultra. The OnePlus 12 launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $800 and the OPPO Find X Ultra come with January 2024 with the price tag of $999. The dimension is same, not much difference, and the weight, the OnePlus 12 have 220 gram and the OPPO Find X7 Ultra have 223 gram. And the build, the OnePlus 12 and the OPPO Find X7 Ultra front and back glass and aluminium frame, and both mobile come with dual SIM support. The display of these devices, the OnePlus 12 and the OPPO Find X7 Ultra come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color display, and the screen size is same 6.82 inches and the resolution is same 2K resolution screen, and the PPI density is same 510, and the refresh rate 120Hz refresh rate in both devices. Screen to body ratio is same, and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection in both mobile, and screen brightness in both mobile is 4500 nits peak brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The OnePlus 12 come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 8K 30fps video with Hasselblad color calibration. And the OPPO Find X7 Ultra come with quad core setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto and 50 megapixel 135mm periscope telephoto, and it's also record 8K 30fps video with Hasselblad color calibration. And the selfie camera of the device is same 32 megapixel with 4K 30fps video record with selfie camera. And the platform in both device octa-core X4 CPU and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm processor in both device, and Adreno 750 GPU in both device, and it's come with Android 14 operating system. Let's go to the memory of these devices. The OnePlus 12 come with 12GB, 16GB and 24GB of RAM, and OPPO Find X7 Ultra come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the internal storage in both devices 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobile. Let's talk about the battery of these devices. The OnePlus 12 come with 5400 mAh battery and OPPO Find X7 Ultra come with 5000 mAh battery and 100 watt fast charging in both mobile, and also 50 watt wireless charging in both mobile, and the both mobile 5G supported. Common and feature is same in both mobile, and the result of these devices, the OPPO Find X7 Ultra got 24 points and the OnePlus 12 got 25 points.